Alright, so we got the new tool. Show them the Sawzall. Just got back from Home Depot.
It's Chris's new pride and joy.
Absolutely. I think I'm going to name it Bubba.
Can you believe he's going to let me use it first?
Hey, you're the pro. So we are going to be trying to get this glass out. Wes is going to be operating the Sawzall and I'll be holding the glass. Hoping for the best.
Alright, so yeah, hang out right over there, I guess, or I'm going to start over here. So just kind of hold her steady.
Oh, this has straight back and forth reciprocal.
Okay,
so
let's do straight. Yeah, I've never seen that. That's cool.
Sounds like a beast. Here goes nothing.
Got a bad feeling heading. I've got a bad feeling heading my bones. Got a bad feeling. Ask me what you wanna tell you, just what I know. Seems trouble's always chasing. Seems trouble's always dogging my soul. If trouble wants you, trouble's gonna find you there wherever you go.
There's the glass.
Finally!
That was fun.
Yeah, I've never made my own homemade tool to do it, but we got the job done.
Got a feeling now it's deep in my bones. I got a feeling now it's deep in my bones. I gotta go. Tired of running, sheriff. Tired of running, I got nowhere to go.
I got the window taken out of this now. So I'm trying to find the center of the opening basically. And I'm going to weld in some sacrificial supports up in the top of the transition there. And then we'll take this frame and stick it up there and place it just right in the transition. You know, equal measurements everywhere. And tack it in place, and then we'll be ready to start putting more supports in.
More supports and
Yeah, more supports of the tubular steel coming down in the transition and attached to this as well.
so I had to go to Home Depot today and pick up this. We have 20 foot of the 1.25 inch, and if need be, we can use some of that angle iron. And I have 1 inch tubular steel as well, floating around here somewhere that we can use.
Graft in there.
Yeah.
That'd be great.
So with the new transition, you might notice that it goes all the way down. I decided to go ahead and take out the school bus windows, or Wes took them out after we agreed it probably looked better. But I'm going to put some sort of window in there for G, the passenger, as we're driving, just so she has a window out the side. But my side behind me will probably just be straight sheet metal.
Yeah.
I think that'll look a lot cleaner with these two windows right here.
Yeah.
And that's actually the supports that Wes used from the scrap pile out there, is from when we cut out these side windows. So he's grabbing them right now. You can actually see the H channel.
These were basically up against, don't know if that's showing, but these were up against the wall here, and Chris cut them out. I'm assuming like where you had a window.
Yep.
Like say right here.
Yep.
So he's cut these out, so I'm just going to use these as gray metal. So
Absolutely.
It'll just work for what we're doing.
Yeah, trying to use as much scrap as possible. I just patched some holes in the ceiling, just used some of the old side of the bus, and try and save some cash and not waste anything.
It's good to reuse as much as possible in this world.
Amen. This bus, while he's here, basically just the number one thing is getting this transition done, obviously. It'd be hard to do this one on my own. And get the solar set up, and then possibly the roof rack started and bolted in because it's important to do that, because once we do the spray foam, it's obviously locked in there. It'll be, we can't undo those bolts. So we're gonna see how it goes. Having to run back and forth to Home Depot like I did to grab different tools. We actually got a lot done. We got the solar figured out, what we're gonna do. Got this cut off, and at least gonna get the front frame. And then later tonight, I'll probably be in here painting the rivets, and I'll show you that later.
So I placed the center mark. I'll put one up there and measure out 10 inches, 50 marks. And I'll know where to locate those. We'll grab this other taller ladder.
Got a bad feeling heading. Got a bad feeling deep in my bones. Got a bad